just got a wireless microphone thanks to my sister, and kind of just wanted to make a long form and test it out. Today, you don't even hear. We're going to water this beautiful forest of plants. Ooh, long form. I like long forms. What am I talking about? So, did you hear that up close like the mic? I can show you my rainwater barrels. My rainwater barrels. Let me set you up at a good distance, and you will be able to see everything. More like hear everything from a mile away. Testing, 1, 2. This is what clear hearing sounds like. I almost feel inclined to bust a move. Let me resist. Posting post. Woohoo! I'm getting bit standing here so still, so what the freak am I doing, man? Rainwater check. You know, it's not good to have your pants falling down because the phone that you're using to record your audio is in your back pocket and it's weighing your pants down, and then you show a bare cheek on the internet, and next thing you know, you lose all your subscribers. I kind of want to bring you a little bit closer. Recording from such a distance, this is like a magnanimous feat. Like, I almost want to tell you my secretest secrets. Well, you kind of don't need to see me to hear them, because I can walk behind the camera and you still hear it. We kind of have a blackberry bush back here, and I kind of been trying to get as many blackberries for myself as I can and start sharing with my family, but I can't bring myself to do it. I wish I was brave enough, but everybody in the family gets eaten. That's kind of one of my secrets. I didn't tell nobody except you. Yesterday I had chips and chickpeas. I didn't even mean for double C's to hit just then. Very frail inducing. It would make me very weak and hungry. Kind of got me like black, not black, just an ashy edge on my rot. It's you really can't see it that good, but they're kind of ashy, and I've been using lamb fat to moisturize my skin. I recommend this. It makes your hair grow really good too, if you're into that kind of thing. Didn't get no corn to eat this year. Not really last year either, but we're learning how to make this corn grow. Did you hear that car? Somebody's speeding like a freak. It's all about being safe on the road. Be careful when you drive. Oh, look at that sun. It's so bright and sunny, and like the evening light, it's just so comfort. This mic, I plan to have many uses for this mic. It's kind of discreetly gray with wide fuzziness and just a touch of sinister black. I'm about to go watch some videos now, and I will smoochy Karuni with you guys on a later datey banady. Later badater.